Hello and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. I am astrologer N. Baksh, and in today's video, we're diving into the sun's upcoming transit into your 12th house Capricorn. This transit has a significant impact on your inner world, spirituality, and your ability to handle isolation. Get ready as we discuss how this planetary shift will affect you, from your spiritual growth to finances and everything in between. Let's begin. The 12th house is all about isolation, endings, and spirituality. The sun's presence here highlights a period of introspection. You may feel a deeper connection to your spiritual self, potentially engaging in meditation, reflection, or even spiritual practices you haven't explored before. This is a time for private introspection and uncovering your true purpose on a soul level. This period could encourage some form of retreat, whether physically or mentally. You may find yourself wanting to escape the busy world to reflect on personal growth or search for deeper meaning. Rest, seclusion, or spiritual practices can be enriching during this transit, though be careful not to overdo isolation and avoid becoming completely withdrawn. The 12th house also governs the unknown and hidden things, and the sun here brings these hidden opportunities or matters into the spotlight. You may discover secrets or information that were once hidden or kept behind the scenes. Some of these revelations can help you advance in personal projects or professional endeavors. The 12th house also deals with expenses and detachment. Financially, there could be an increase in expenditure, possibly for spiritual pursuits or unanticipated bills. It is important to maintain awareness of your budget during this period. Socially, you might also feel a bit isolated or disconnected from others, as the energy of the sun in this house encourages more introspection and personal time rather than outward social activity. This is a great time for those interested in psychic abilities, astrology, or other metaphysical studies. Your intuitive capacities may be heightened, allowing you to tap into deeper sources of wisdom and understanding about yourself and the world around you. Embrace this opportunity to understand things on a deeper, more spiritual level. Saturn and Venus in the first house, Aquarius. Saturn here brings discipline to your self expression, and Venus will bring balance, making you more charming and attractive to others. Together, these energies give you a more mature approach to relationships and yourself. Your sense of self might undergo positive changes, allowing you to cultivate both love and structure in your life. Rahu in the second house, Pisces. Rahu will drive you to seek new avenues for financial prosperity. But be cautious, as the energy of Rahu may cause impulsive decisions that could affect your wealth or speech. Focus on making thoughtful financial choices during this time. Jupiter in the fourth house, Taurus. Jupiter is bringing positivity to your home life and relationship with your mother or domestic comfort. This could be a time when your private life feels blessed and your home may be a place of spiritual or personal retreat. Mars and Moon in the sixth house, Cancer. These energies make you more emotionally driven in your daily work, health habits, and relationships with colleagues. Avoid getting overly emotional about conflicts. Instead, channel this energy into developing more efficient routines and healthier habits. While solitude and introspection are important during this time, it is essential to balance this with keeping a healthy connection with the outside world. Don't let this period become too isolating, as prolonged loneliness can negatively impact your mental health. With the sun in the 12th house, be mindful of unexpected expenses. This may involve things related to health or spiritual pursuits, but also pay attention to unplanned bills or hidden costs. Keep track of your spending to avoid financial strain. Sometimes, when the sun is placed in the 12th house, it can bring stress on your mental and emotional well being. Pay attention to your physical health, as stress or unresolved emotional issues can manifest as physical ailments. Here are some remedies and advices for you. Use this time to cultivate inner peace through practices like meditation or mindfulness. This will help you understand yourself better and connect with your spiritual side more deeply. Focus on wise financial planning to prevent excessive spending. Set a budget to avoid impulsive purchases that may later bring regret. Monitor your resources carefully. While retreating into your personal space is beneficial, make sure not to withdraw completely from your social world. Engage in occasional positive social interactions to maintain balance. With the introspective nature of this transit, stress can build up. Be mindful of your mental health and make sure you have outlets to talk through any emotions or stress you're feeling, whether it's through journaling, talking with a close friend, or professional help. Jupiter's influence in your home sector can bring blessings. Keep a gratitude journal to remind yourself of the good things in your life and stay grounded, especially when navigating personal challenges during this time. That's a wrap on today's video. The sun's transit in your 12th house brings introspection, spiritual growth, and self discovery. Embrace this energy to explore the deeper layers of your being while managing any challenges that come your way. If you need a personal consultation or further insights, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact us via the WhatsApp number on your screen. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more astrological wisdom from Sitaroga Safar. See you in the next video.